Now I have copied and used the main application which takes the data from the database what you have created. Check it here, I have used the same path. So in your case also use the same path, or if it is in a different path also you can update it here. So this database path so I have connected by, we are using SQL Alchemy. So the reason behind this is that the same script we can work in MySQL also with a slight change in that we will see later. Let's just see. Once we are connected to our database, let's first run it once. So we can see that. So here it is. Now this time all this status and the names are taken from the database. To check that, what you will do is we will change one status and close the application, open it. So that what status was there, because it is the data status is stored in a database. When it collects it data, it collects the same status. So for Bob we'll make it true. So it is paid now. So okay, here it is bottom, you can see that has come. Now let me just close it. Again open it again. Now this time it takes the data from the database. So you can see that Bob status is paid, because that is how we store the data in the database. So it does two things. First, here you just see this, it's not a dictionary now. Fetch student, what initially this function is called. What this fetch student does is this 3 lines, it select ID, name, status from students. Students is our table name where details are stored, and that entire thing is collected. So it's a iterable, it's a list already as a tuple, so it is available to us. So this is, I need not have to create what was coming from the dictionary earlier, now it is coming from the database. So initially I call this particular, what's the default student status or the name and its status, I am taking it from the database. Now using that, here I am looping through now. You can see the student directly I am taking, because there is no, earlier in the dictionary case we have used dot keys, but here it is already in a iterator format. So you need not take that. Rest everything remains same. So we